So we just barely got back from picking up a desk that we got at Facebook Marketplace. I'll show you guys what it looks like in a little bit. Don't mind the heavy breathing. It's Macho. He's really excited about it. By the way, Macho is our Old English Bulldog. Hi guys, hi! Subscribe to my mom's channel. You might see him more often here in the videos. This is what the desk looks like. It's pretty big. We have to assemble this part here. Don't even ask how we figured out how to get it into the car. We just have a regular sedan. So Sebastian, my husband, worked his magic. So I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's all installed in my room. Macho. Ouch, did you hurt yourself? And Macho says that he really loves the desk.
Tell me that it's over now. It's so lonely, let's go back out. I miss the way it felt inside when we were free. Promise that we'll be again. I guess that we knew it was too good to be true. Just a dream, it was just a dream. I guess that we knew it was never the truth. Just a dream.
So we worked so hard, like literally so hard, getting that desk to our house. So we decided we're gonna celebrate. So we came to Buca di Beppo and we're bringing you guys with us. Love this place, it's so good. One of my favorite Italian food places. Con el humito. We were able to get the desk upstairs, which is awesome. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I'm so excited because it's gonna be really nice to put like all my stuff in it. So it's just a white desk from IKEA, but we got a pretty good deal on it because we got it from Facebook Marketplace. And it has like some drawers on it so you can store some things. Also, I want to show you guys, I went to Target and I got some more of my baby wipes. You guys have probably noticed that I love these. They are for sensitive skin. I probably should have gotten like the bigger pack because I go through so many of them anyway, but I don't know why I didn't. And then I always get these from TJ Maxx. They have like a pretty good deal. I don't even know how much they cost on Amazon. They might be like cheaper there. I have no idea. I'll have to check it out. But these little numbers were $4.99 and there's 6 in each one. So they're like less than $1 per razor, and I already used one here. But these are just really nice to have because you never know when you're gonna need to like fix up an eyebrow or like a sideburn or just whatever, and they're really good for like exfoliating too. So I love these. But anyway, so it's actually the next day now. Don't mind my hair. I literally just got out of the shower and I'm going to like blow dry my hair and do it in a little bit. We're gonna stop by Costco. We need to get some paper towels, water, toothpaste. We might look up, oh, I see a doggy over there. We might look for a bed for Macho too because he goes through them pretty quickly. We also need to go to Target to get some fabric softener. I also need to get a foundation, and I'm going to see if they have any of the Mrs. Meyer's holiday collection little sprays for cleaning. So hopefully they have some of those. And then we're going to IKEA just to like look around and just see if we find anything fun or something for the house. What else can I tell you? Yeah, so I'm gonna finish my hair. I'm going to be, I don't know why it looks like if I have a filter on my camera. I really don't. I removed it, but it looks like if I have a filter. So yeah, I'm trying to be raw and real here, but I don't know how that's going other than my little baby chicken hairs up here. So I'm gonna be doing my hair really quick. I'm going to just blow dry, brush it a little bit, blow dry it, and then I usually just straighten up here, like these parts up here, like kind of smooth it out, this area on the edges of the face. So I'm just gonna do my hair really quick, and then we're gonna go to run the errands. hair is finished and we are going to town. No, we're not. By the way, I did like a super simple makeup look. I'm just using a Juvia's Place palette and a Pixie. It's like a polish, like the little polish glitter things. They're really pretty. I just put a little bit on and then I just kind of blend it in. MAC Velvet Teddy, super original. Nails done by myself. I will link kind of like what I'm wearing below in case you're wondering what I'm wearing. And let's go.
Tell me that it's over now. It's so lonely, let's go back out. I miss the way it felt inside when we were free. Promise that we'll be again.
We are here.
It was too good to be true. Just a dream. It was just a dream. I guess that we knew it was never the truth. Just a dream.
Where is it? Oh no, it's not here. Oh no. They don't have it. They don't have it. We usually get the Crest 3D white, but I don't see it. We are now at IKEA. So excited to see what stuff they have. So I saw some wooden shelf holder things the other day, so I'm hoping they have them today. I think it would be like in the bottom section, I'm not so sure, but they look really cute. There was a girl using them like on a DIY project and I thought they were really cute, so hopefully they have them. So cute! So cute! Hi guys! Please subscribe! These are the ones. They're just like plain and then you can just like stain them. They have different sizes too. I think they'd look really cute in my beauty room. So then I could get like some wood from Home Depot and like make the shelves and use these guys.
Tell me that it's over now.
Guys, this one's so cute. If I had her, I would definitely name her Trixie. These ones are actually all real, I think.
Promise that we'll be again.
Watch out, you guys, because we literally bought the whole store.
Just a dream. It was just a dream.
These are so cute and tiny. Oh. First Christmas decor 2019.
Let me go.
So I was hoping they would have like a Christmas scent, but I don't see any. I'm gonna have to go online and find some. I really like the scent, by the way. Honeysuckle. So I actually have these and they're so good. Like the little, I love the little matte liquid lipsticks and like the little, these are like eyeshadow, like glitter eyeshadows. They're so good. I love them. They're really similar to the Stila ones. I have this shade and then like a black glittery one. So good. So I'm actually just looking for my foundation because I'm all out. This looks really interesting. Ooh. Looks interesting. Guys, this is my favorite foundation ever. I have used so many of these, probably like, not even kidding, like at least 15 of these. Okay, where's my shade? 128. I believe it's 128. Where are you? Here you are. Warm Nude. Love these. So I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please thumbs up this video and subscribe below and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I would love to have you, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.